we're back, babies. Rah, rah, rah. Now in full HD, actually not because I'm running this on my iPad right now. Anyway. Bibbidi bam, biddy boo. Please get your phone charged, Chase. Guess what? Chase is back too.
David, I have a box for you. There's oh god. Anyway, tried to steal my cheese cuff. So I beat him mercilessly, wrapped him up, and put him in this box. I'm giving you this box so you can do whatever you want with Pillywig.
Violence.
Oh, there's other contents. There's a Wiimote and a copy of Sea Monsters: A Prehistoric Adventure, also known as the worst video game ever conceived by a human being.
I don't want
I didn't
that.
know you could play with the nunchuck. Maybe that will slightly improve the controls. The controls are the big problem. I can't even unlock the second creature in the game because of how bad the controls are. Now, I'm gonna put him back in his box. Don't worry, he won't escape. I have his legs restrained. But he's definitely been trying. If he has some tape or knew the whereabouts of some tape. Anyway, let's not worry about Pillywig right now. What we can be worrying about is hair dryers.
Hair dryers are fun to play with in the bathtub.
Don't do that, you will die.
No.
I think I saw Pillywig in my bathtub one time, filming a video of some stupid, dumb commercial about, hair dryers, and he, killed himself in the water bathtub with a hair dryer. So either he has problems. So, has anyone been spending on you in your walls lately?
I don't think so. I think that's a you problem.
Yeah. I'm surprised he hasn't tried to snipe me yet.
I think that's it's
So hair dryers, they dry your hair.
yes, and they hair your dryer.
What? But that doesn't even make any sense.
It makes perfect sense in the context of me.
Hey, hold on. We have a slight issue here, David.
Yes.
He's out. Pillywig's out. Don't worry. He's not gonna escape. Wait. He's got muscle wrapping off him, but his legs are tied up, so he can't get out. I'm grabbing him. No! No, sorry. No one can help you now. You're mine. We have a slight issue, David. Here's the untying the knot. He's escaping again. He's loose. I repeat, David, he was loose again, but oh well. So, hair dryers.
Yes, I currently don't have one because no one uses one in my house.
I use one every day because I hate getting my hair wet. It's evil. I hate it.
I don't use the hair dryer. I'm talking to you, John Smith, the most used name in the U.S. Yes.
Hold on. Sea Monsters: A Prehistoric Adventure is playable with a nunchuck. How that might change his horribleness. I'll have to try it. So, David,
Yes.
do you think you can beat this game?
I don't want to play the game if it's terrible.
Where if you don't play the game, he'll come snipe both of us.
What do you mean by, come?
Gonna come to our houses. interdimensional portal. Does that lead to your house?
I don't know what an intermediate, anyway.
To somewhere. It's a portal to another dimension. Lead to your house.
Which type of dimension? Like the 3D, the 2D, the 1D, the 0D?
Some two-dimensional cliff.
Well, also, I just received a text message of Pillywig filming himself in a bathtub with a hairdryer. I'll just play it on this device here.
Pillywig's hairdryer fun.